All right. So this is for those that use profile. It's a good theory. It helps people create an opinion. However, it's weak at executing that opinion. All right. So another way to think through profile is how you should think about the market all the time. And that's through the eyes of somebody else, not yourself. Always think about how you feel in certain situations and then understand if the market feels that way in that situation, you're going to read it better. So you had a popular area for profilers called the POC point of control. It's just the most heavily traded price volume wise. And at this particular session, you could see this white outline is a bell curve. And this price right in here, I'm going to draw a yellow line across, is that POC. And a lot profilers like to use that as support to open up a long and or try to get out. But those that look to open up a long, a couple of things happen before and understand the context. Price is coming from above it and it curls and heads up, and actually in their eyes is working as support. They're not in the trade though. In their eyes, they're getting the confirmation they think they need. So the next time down, they're all loaded up trying to get long on the railroad tracks, laying bids to open up a long position at the POC, not only because it's the POC, but they've seen it work. They're just not on the team. And what happens is that it becomes a crowded trade. Too many longs create too much selling, downside, right side, and it slices right through them. You can anticipate this. You know, you have to see what's obvious and do the opposite. If it's obvious to most of the rest of the world, there's higher risk in going with that herd. And that's how you begin to turn your predictions into not feeling like they're guesses. They're not random. There's some skill behind it. There's good reads behind it. And so you get people getting smashed. Now, we actually could see many of them getting long. When you look at this vertical right in here, all this green start to light up. It's people playing the 19 evens, roughly the point of control at this particular moment in session, to open up a long position, not only because it's often support when it's coming from above, but also they see confirmation that it worked a couple times. That's conventional wisdom, and it's wrong. The more a level works, the less chance it has to continue to work.